Hello dear Scorpio, welcome back to my channel and this is your monthly reading for the month of May. If you're looking for a weekly reading that's already uploaded on my channel, click on the video section and find your signs reading. Let's see what's happening in this month for you, career, love, health, anything that pops up in your reading, I'm going to tell it to you. And if you're looking for a weekly reading that's already uploaded on my channel, if I haven't already mentioned, if you would like to book any personal reading, ritual or counseling session, wait till the end. I will give you more information about it. So let's start. You've got the astronomer and the chariot. That's how your May month is starting. Beautiful cards to have. Your stuck life is moving forward. There's somebody who appreciates your work-life balance. There's somebody who appreciates the kind of human you are, and a lot of opportunities are opening for you. I also see that you could be getting a call from abroad, probably a travel opportunity, a job opportunity at a distance from where you live, and you could travel a lot for work in the first week of May as well. If you have your own business, you can hear from foreign clienteles or get money from abroad in some way. So there is a connection of your life moving forward, opportunities coming to you, and a lot of travel as well. So you could be traveling for vacation. Who knows, right? Second week onwards, you've got the Eight of Spheres and the Three of Suns. I do see that you are overthinking about this opportunity, probably because you're scared of the change, scared of moving into a new direction, whether I should go for higher studies or not, whether I should take up that job or not, whether I should settle in that city or not, or whether that I should get married or not, because it could be that it is an arranged setup, you don't know the person, but I do see that eventually you will be moving into a new direction, and moving into this new direction will prove to be very fruitful for you. New direction, new roles you're taking, new opportunities you're taking, new life you're living. So I do see a lot of newness around you. Also, this is something you're quite passionate about. Also, this is something which will bring you a lot of happiness. So yes, if you're looking to start something new, to make a new change, or to do anything which brings you new energy, please do that. Whether that's an investment, it's moving to a new city, state, country, it's starting a new job, starting a new business, anything which is new, this is the time you must do. Coming to the second half of the month, you've got the Lady card and the Ten of Spheres. Look how beautifully and how fast your life changes. You will see that your life will pick up and changes will start happening at a rocket speed. Once you decide that yes, you are ready for something new to come into your life, a new opportunity, a better opportunity, life will start giving you all that thing. And I also see that there's somebody around you who's constantly looking in awe at you, like, wow, you're so great at your job or work, wow, you're so good looking, wow, you're such a good person. So I do see a lot of people around you who respect you for who you are, for what kind of a person you are, right? Expect rapid developments once you decide that I'm ready for the change, I'm ready for something new, give me. The moment you ask, the universe will start showering those gifts to you. Let's see what's happening in the last week of May. You've got the Two of Spheres and the Nine of Hermit. It is a major arcana card. Some sort of truth will be revealed. I do see that suddenly you will see that there are blockages in your life. Suddenly you see that relationship you thought, or that person you thought you're going to get married to is no more there. Or that opportunity you thought you were going to grab, it's no more there, right? Or some money that you were expecting did not come through. You will find the truth of something or of someone, and that will really hurt you. That will also really change you, because probably this is a person who created problems in your life, who lied to you, or probably blocked your feelings or blocked your good opportunities from coming your way. Either they did something which I think is upsetting you a lot. You will isolate yourself completely, you will go within, you will trust your intuition, and you will not trust anyone. So my suggestion is, Scorpios, if you are talking about your success to way too many people, if you're sharing your trade secrets, your business secrets, your agreements with too many people, even if you think they are your family members, if you think they are your trustworthy people, your friends, do not do that. because there is somebody who will be purposely blocking your growth. Either they go ahead and tell that what are you hiding from them, either they go ahead and tell that person something, or they purposely try to stop it, or they give you evil eye, bad intention, bad vibes, right? Your work will be stopped, your growth will be stopped, it will get stuck in the end of May. That truth will be revealed to you. Yes, you will also find out what kind of person that person is, how are they exactly stopping it from happening, and I also see that you will be deciding to cut this person out of your life. So good for you. But my warning will be, if you're watching this video before all this has happened, please make sure that you do not reveal any secrets to anyone, right? Take it as a caution so that you're protected, so that your growth doesn't get blocked. Okay, doesn't get blocked. So this was your reading for the month of May. If you guys liked it, resonated with it, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know that this is exactly what is happening in your life and what is your situation. I would love to read your comments. I would personally like it and also try to comment on each one of your comments, reply on it. And if you would like to book any personal reading, if you have any question in your mind regarding any area of your life, health, wealth, business, money, children, you can book a personal reading with me. If you have any blockages in your life, or if you want to manifest any desire, you can book rituals with me. And lastly, I also do counseling sessions as well. So if you think you need sort of therapy, guidance, you need someone to listen to you, to guide you correctly, you can share your burdens and your deep dark secrets with them, and this will not be revealed to anyone. It stays between me and you. If you think you are that person, or if you think a friend and family is, please do share this video with them. Book it right now. And how can you book it? Any reading, ritual or counseling session, you can book it by emailing me at astasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram channel as well, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, also please follow me on Instagram, since I post all these details on a daily basis on my Instagram channel. I also have various services available, audio video call sessions available and packages available as well. Every package will give you a free remedy as well. Love packages, singles packages, career packages, right? So all these details is mentioned on my Instagram channel. Otherwise, you can know the price. Extremely cheap and powerful readings that I have. You will not find it anywhere. So go ahead, book it right now. Thank you for watching my channel. I love to hear from you soon. Take care and bye bye.